Alrighty, we are here, 2024 youth hog hunting trip. We got my younger brothers who are gonna be the hunters, and me and my dad are gonna be chaperoning them on a hunt. So we're gonna go set up camp, and see what we're gonna do. We're gonna get hunting. So let's go right to that.
Yeah, and today's what, the 19th of January 2024, and this truck is packed now. As you see, I don't even have room to stick the rifles, but we're going to have fun anyway.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna get right to it. Set up camp. There should be some pretty good food. It's gonna be a fun trip, and hopefully we'll get some hogs this trip. Let's get right into it. All right, just getting the tent all set up. Look at that. All right, y'all, this is kind of our tent setup right here, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Alrighty, it's the next morning. Let's get some hunting done. You ready, Nathaniel?
Yes, sir.
All right, that first hunt wasn't too busy, but this is where we were at. So, we'll see.
Right the shoulder. Flip draw safety. Flip draw safety. Shoot it. Right head to the shoulder. The shoulder. Oh yeah.
Okay. You want me to shoot again?
Just wait. If it gets up, you shoot again. Just wait.
Okay.
He's done.
I saw it on the shoulder when I was walking.
Yeah, just wait.
I see bleeding, see it?
Yeah, he's bleeding.
I have
He's
the
done.
shoulder.
That's the perfect shot. Put on safety.
Okay.
You did a perfect shot.
Me and my brother did not have too much luck this morning, but my dad and my little brother had some luck. But we're about to start hunting here soon, so we'll see. Wait till it looks. All right, stop. Alrighty, it is the last hunt. We'll see if we can get anything.
So we're gonna go head out, right, Nathaniel? Yeah. See, my hands are too cold to buckle. Yeah, it's pretty cold, so we're gonna head out and see if we can't see anything on the way out, but it's been a pretty slow hunt. You gotta try and get him a snipe.
All right, y'all, I am sitting here editing that hunting video and I realized I never did an outro video. So here it is. Thank you for watching. It was a pretty good hunt. It was fun. You know, would like to do it again. It was very fun. But thank you for watching and have a good one.